Hello students, welcome to Atif Ahmed Official. It's very common when the exams are coming closer to you, your family members, your friends and a lot of people in your surroundings tells you how to study, how much you should study, how not to study. They suggest you the different techniques and methods. Few of them may work for you and the remaining may not. What do you think? Do you need a scientifically proven technique or method that scientifically works for you? I have 10 scientifically proven tips for you that will actually help to study more progressively and makes you a star performer. Most students have the habits of studying late night. Try to avoid it. It has been scientifically proven that the sleeping disturbance causes the less working memory and it reduces the ability to execute the functions. It also lowers the physical attention of the mind. Study during the day as much as possible and have a peaceful sleep at night. Second is how to study and when to study. I am sharing some scientific facts that you will be surprised to hear. According to a study by the Microsoft, the average human being now has an attention span of only 8 seconds. An average concentration span is between 1 hour to 2 hours. Talk about Pomodoro technique. According to this technique, we should study from 25 minutes to 30 minutes only, and after that, we should take a small break of 5 minutes. If you're working on a particular concept and you can't complete it in the 30 minutes, then don't worry about that. This is where when the Zeigarnik effect comes into play. According to this concept, Zeigarnik says that the people remember incomplete and interrupted tasks better than completed tasks. So, if you are studying 4 to 5 hours continuously, this is not a smart way of study. This is because in the short repetitive sessions, the brain is better at translating information into the synapse. So divide your study time in a short patches of time. Third, you should have some goals. Keep small goals for yourself and make a plan to achieve, like learning of Pythagoras theorem and learning the different parts of the DC motor. Study one topic at a time and make sure that you not understand the topic, but you should also be able to teach someone else, for your friend or someone student. Number 4, where to study. Study needs a peaceful environment, so you have to fix spot for your study. You should have everything that you may need during your study, like your books, pencil, page and other related material. Try to sit on a chair and do not study on the bed, because bed is just for sleeping, not for studying. And your room should have enough light for your study. Number 5. During a research, 2 groups of the people were given a topic. Group 1 and Group 2. Students of Group 1 were asked to just study a topic in the group, while the Group 2 were told that they have to teach the topic of a class students. And research showed that the Group 2 shows better results. They have learned quickly and betterly. It means that when you teach a topic to someone, your brain trained itself more better way. So try to study in a group and discuss problems with your friends. Number 6. It is related to the music. Music helps a lot in studying, but the thing that we should keep in our mind is the type of music. Listen to the music that is not your favorite. And one more thing, it should have repetitive pulse. It is your choice. You can choose the classical music or neutral one. There is a theory about the music, and that is mosaic effect. That is a very famous theory that connects the cognitive performance of the mind with music, which is closely related to the learning and the problem solving skills of a person. Most of the students must be marking statements on your book so that it will be easier for you to revise it later. But they have a better option. May use the flashcards. When you look at the flashcard, you are thinking and you are engaging a mental faculty. This is called active recall. Number 8. Practice more and more. The more you practice, the more confident you get. By taking the practice test, you can know how much more effort you still want to put in this matter. Number 9. Your mobile phone should not be at your study place. Because the continuous updates on your mobile phone are extremely distractive and kill your concentration. Try to get rid of this distraction by these steps. Turn the mobile notification off. Reduce the number of applications. Time yourself. Be more disciplined person. And last one, test yourself. It is scientifically proven that the testing yourself periodically enhances your academic performance significantly. So first of all, learn the concept, make a practice test, analyze your error, go back and revise this concept again.